Hindi lahat ng blessings ay puro pera lang. Nandyan din yung blessings ng buhay. Blessings na kumpletong pamilya, mabubuting kaibigan, good health, new opportunities at mga bagong memories. Life is more than just money. Always be grateful.